I think some of the things that we were particular about was to try and have a space that gives us both aspects to the office. One is the public, where you got to meet people and sort of mingle with a lot of other verticals, and so we wanted an office in two levels, and the lower space allows us to do that. And then we wanted one continuous space at the upper level that will help us sort of set up a democratic way of functioning, which is very important for us as an office. So we have this space that really works well. We connect the lower level to the upper level across the cutout and the staircase. And so this void just goes through the office, connecting up to the terrace. So this connection is really important. And we went for something extremely neutral because, people and, their personalities bring in a lot of color into the office. So we wanted a very muted palette where people could come and sort of express themselves. And hence concrete finish so that it sort of ages well.
The glass fenestration on both the floors give it more or less a very equal kind of interior space. So it's not that different both the levels actually. So we have used ferro cement concrete to get all the sculpted forms like this, like the reception counter and the conference room where we have the awards placed. So that's something which we tried out new to get some different forms into the space. So ferro concrete was something which we do in a lot of projects. It's also something we did it in our office. For me, it's the central space above where all the staff sit. So it's a very, like Smaran mentioned, it's a very democratic setup there. So that's probably where I spend most of my time in office.
I think we have a quiet library corner also amongst all the buzz, so you can go and quickly take a call or read something. And the model making area is also something that has a lot of energy, because usually it's the interns there and they have their music and they have their thing going on there. So it's always nice to kind of sort of do a little bit of a time travel where you go there and you're with the younger lot and doing the stuff that they're doing. So that's a nice corner in the office too, I think. Yeah. And of course the terrace where, we all sort of end the day over there in a fun way. So it's always fun up on the terrace.
See, the thing is, the three of us are, it's not that we are always out of office. Most of the time we work around, and the team that we have today allows us to spend most of the time in office. So we have discussions continuously through the day. It's not that each one of us, yes, we do handle certain projects on our own, but there are discussions which keep happening for those projects through the day. So all of us are aware of every project in the office. Internally, we do have, sometimes, for example, a role what Smaran plays or a role which Vikram plays is clear, but to the outsider, it's like one office.
So this office is the environment is very collaborative, and yes, there's always like a vision that everyone has in mind when we start off with whatever the project is, whether it's an interior project or an architectural project. There are visions that we individually have. I think what's been interesting is the way they've kind of allowed me to grow, which I do understand that a lot of places don't maybe always necessarily have that sort of a conducive environment. And what's interesting is that they kind of latch in on what your strengths are, and they kind of help you polish that over time, and they push you to kind of better them, you could say.
I think what's really great about this place is when a person is working on a project in this office, we get to know about every single project and every different experience that people are individually having within projects. Like for example, if I'm working on a project, we have moments where we can have a presentation where I get to talk about what I've done and why I've done.
I think Cadence is a very different work environment. So it's a lot of fun working here, especially when we have the three of them around. So they come with their own strengths, and it's a very interactive, collaborative process.
We don't work in a very strong way of hierarchy. So we would like to believe that we collaborate with them, whether it's the junior most person in the office or somebody who's been with us for a very long time. We are always there sitting with them doing what we have to do. So there's a lot of communication, there's a lot of sitting across the drawing board and hashing out ideas. So we're really open and we're actually really looking for new ideas to come from them that we can build on, as opposed to imposing what we are interested in.